Welcome to the training of the root of polarimeter. In this session, I will tell you different steps of polarimeter using sample preparation, measurement, analysis, and troubleshooting. In polarimeter measurements, we can measure optical rotation that measure the degree which substance rotates when polarized light. We can measure specific rotation that measure the optical rotation per unit path length and concentration of the sample. The polarimeter measures the optical activity of organic or inorganic compounds in the solution. When plane polarized light passes through a chiral sample, the light rotates based on the concentration and the structure of the molecule. Before start the experiment in the polarimeter, you should have proper PPE and especially for the gloves because we are working with organic solvent. So today I'm going to talk more details. First, how to turn on the instrument, zero to the instrument, then blank make to zero, then put some solution and measurement. You should have a iLab reservation. So then come to the RIC, log into account, then start the session, come to this page. And this is our polarimeter instrument covered by a dust cover is here. Remove the dust cover. The instrument switch in the back of the left corner. So once you start the instrument, you can see light coming. You must perform the zero before start. Start okay. Instrument is making zero. So now instrument is ready. We want to set up the instrument. First is the wavelength. And we are selecting 589 set. Once the setup is done, then we go to the scale. We have two kinds of scale, and one is for the optical rotation, another is for specific rotation. Click scale. So we take optical rotation, and so I have a 50 millimeter cell. Then set, and then once you're done, then close this one. We can put the blank cell with some solution and put it auto zero. So here is my cell. I have some methanol inside there. I'm taking that one. Open the door. Put the cell inside. And then close the door. Make zero. This is making auto zero off of my blank solvent methanol. Now we have a blank setup with auto zero. Then take the cell out. Remove the solvent. Now I'm going to put new solution. Here I have the new solution with a syringe. Now I put the solution here and press it. Now when they fill up the solution coming here, then take it out. Make sure there is no air bubble. Once you fill it up, no air bubble. Put the cell inside. Close the door. And then start measurement. Instrument takes some few seconds to get the first reading. The readings are coming now. Now, if you do not need more runs, you can stop it. So here are your results. You can see this. There are 4 readings. They are very close, 0.113 or 0.114. Once it's done, your optical rotation is done for this experiment. Now you take your cell out. Keep it in this one nice place. Once you're done, you can close the lid and then you can turn off the power. And we have a dust cover. Then finally, we have a logbook. In the logbook, you have to write your name, everything. Especially if you have any problem, anything, write here no or yes. And then clean the bench. That's done. And after cleaning the bench, then go to the iLab, then session out. Here is some additional information for polarimeter experiment. Please follow those things for better results, and also a troubleshooting information. My contact information is also here. If you have any questions or problem, please contact me. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck your polarimeter experiment.